All in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your thing. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often.
Hey y'all, good afternoon. Welcome to another vlog. Today is Thursday. I think it's the 22nd. We are on our way to go take a walk. Me and, I don't know if you can see the baby. Cassius is back there. Hi, Sugar Plum. My man has been working nonstop every single day with us having the DNC here. He's been on like double shifts, so it's been me and Cassius every day. I don't even remember the last time my man had a day off. So yeah, I've been doing the stay-at-home mom thing, and I'm just trying to fill our days. You know, I'm like on this health kick, really trying, well, not a health kick, I'm just trying to drop the baby weight, okay, because I still got ways to go. The baby weight is so different from just like being overweight. Like, I could handle like, okay, you're a little overweight, but the baby weight has me in a chokehold. Like, it will not get up off my bones.
I'll be right with you.
Okay. So we're gonna go for a nice scenic walk.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks. Get this started for you.
Hi, could I have a grande vanilla sweet cream cold brew and a
Grande vanilla sweet cream cold brew.
Yeah.
Anything else for you?
and a banana loaf?
And a banana loaf.
That's it.
Up.
Yes.
See you at the window.
Thank you. Usually I don't eat before I go walking, but today I'm like really hungry for some reason. But we're about to go on a nice little scenic walk. I have been walking almost every day, just like I'm gonna walk this weight off. I'm so determined. I really believed that after I had Cassius that I would just shrink back down to my size, because I worked so hard last summer to I dropped 40 pounds last summer, and I was like in one of the best shapes I had ever been in a while, in a very long time. And then I'm like, okay, once I have the baby, and all this fluid and swelling goes down, I should just shrink back to my regular size, right? No, it's like, girl, look at your belly. Yeah, it's bad. It's bad. Like when I walk, I can feel my back rolls moving. It's so bad. So we're gonna go on a walk. I have been really enjoying these walks that I've been taking. It's just like a nice 3-mile walk, and gonna get me some coffee, just a little something to eat beforehand. Like I said, my man has been working nonstop because the DNC is here, which is so crazy to me. It's so crazy to me that us in Chicago, we still got the DNC when we along with New York were some of the top cities that were affected by the Democratic Party, by them completely decimating our economy, the crazy inflation, the influx of migrants to Chicago. Insane. And like, we have an increase in crime because of all of the migrants that we have in our city. The cost of living has skyrocketed in Chicago. So it's crazy that we still got the DNC, because don't nobody want them Democrats up in here. Like the protests downtown, they've been going off. They've been colliding with the police. Like, nobody wants the Democrats here. We don't even want to hear nothing that the Democrats got to say. It's so bad. It's so bad. So yeah. But I think today is the last day of the DNC, and then my man will be back on his regular schedule. But he still doesn't have an off day until like next week. So yeah, it's just me and Cassius. You know, I'm doing my stay-at-home mommy thing. It's not an easy job. It's not an easy job, but he's a good baby, so I'm blessed. I am blessed. I'm just trying to fill our days up, keep him busy, keep me busy, keep myself sane, keep myself motivated. Today I was like, I'm just gonna pick up the camera today, and I'm gonna take y'all with us on our little walk. So yeah, that is the plan for today. I'm about to grab my coffee, and we're gonna hit the expressway, and then I guess I'll see you guys when we hit the trail. They say mommy sense is the best sense. Something told me when I got back to the car, check on sir before you head to the store. Check on him. And sure enough, baby done peed straight through the diaper. We had to do a whole wardrobe change. So we got that together. Crisis averted. Y'all, these, I've been meaning to tell you guys about these. These wipes, they say that they're newborn wipes, but let me tell you something. I use them. I kept them for myself. The company sent me these and I absolutely love these. I use them every time after my workout because I'm a sweaty girl. I sweat a lot. They are 100% cotton and water. That's it. Nothing else. Just cotton and water. And I don't know if it's like the packaging, how these are packaged or what, but they are like always cool. Like no matter what the weather, these come out cold, like ice cold. I use these to wipe my face. It feels so good. Because some of these wipes that you get, like these cleansing wipes, they have other stuff like mixed into them. So after you've been sweating, if you put that on your face, it stings a little bit. At least that's my experience. But with these, they're just water and cotton. And I use these to wipe down my face and wipe down my neck after I finish working out. I love these. And I'm not telling you this. Now, let me make this clear. I am not the creator to just tell you guys about stuff just because a company sent it to me. I will tell you about something if I actually like it. These, I actually like these. I'm going to put the link for these in the description. I think I might have a discount code. I have to check. But if I do, I'm going to put it down in the description. If you all are interested in these, I'm definitely going to end up ordering myself another box. Because yeah, I love these. All right, we need to stop at the store real quick. I want to get some tortillas because I think I want to make steak tacos for dinner later. And I want to make a salad for lunch. I have been stuck on this cucumber salad that I found on TikTok. It's like one of those viral cucumber recipes that everybody's been talking about for the past week, and I've made it twice already, and I think I want it again today. So I need to go to the store to get some more cream cheese for it. So we'll go home, feed the baby, make lunch, put him down for a nap, and yeah, just go from there. So let's head to the store real quick. When did tortillas get to be so freaking expensive? They don't have the El Milagro, so we'll get this one. Whipped chocolate. I'm so crooked. Oh my goodness. Is that better? It's still crooked, but I'm okay. All right, we're back home. That walk was so good. It feels so good just to be able to get out of the house and just be amongst nature, because I'm such a nature girl. I love being outside. Like I said, I'm trying to walk almost every day, and not only is it helping me to drop this baby weight, but it's so good for my mental. Like, I feel like when I walk, I get so much mental clarity. Just business ideas start coming to me, content ideas start coming to me. So it's so important to walk. Baby's starting to get fussy, so I need to go ahead and make him a bottle so I can feed him. Cassius is getting so big and he's eating way more often. Like, it used to be every 4 hours I would feed him, but now he's hungry like every every 3 hours. And sometimes he don't even make it to the 3rd hour. He like, feed me right now. Feed me right now. We just switched over to the ByHeart formula because I just partnered with them. And I really like it. It's supposedly ByHeart prevents spit ups, or at least less spit ups, and he has been spitting up a lot less on this formula, so good so far. He ain't skipped a beat. He loves it. So I'm pretty happy with the ByHeart formula. It's only sold at Target if you mamas want to try it, but yeah, I'm pretty happy with it. Let me go in here and feed this baby because he is not going to be patient about his milk. Fresh out of the shower, I got the baby down for a nap. Thank you, God. So now it's time to make lunch. I'm gonna make, well, I guess this would be supper because it's 5 o'clock, but this is my first meal. So I'm gonna do the cucumber jalapeno popper salad that everybody's been making all over TikTok. Like I said, this is my 3rd time making this salad. It's so good. Now usually you only need 1 cucumber, but I'm gonna use 2 because every time that I've made it, I ate the whole bowl. I did not save my man any, and then he comes home and is like, oh, you didn't save me nothing. So today I'm gonna make a little bit more, so there will be enough for him. Now usually when I cook, I try to make things aesthetically pleasing and like give you guys a nice little b-roll and all that, but I'm hungry, so we'll see about that. Like I said, it's already 5 o'clock and I have not eaten anything but that little piece of banana bread earlier. So yeah, we gotta make this quick. Plus I don't know how long the baby is gonna stay asleep. It's always up to him when it comes to nap time. I got my skillet warming. We got to cook some bacon to go into the salad, and then I will show you guys how it all comes together. Just wanted to go over what's actually in this salad before I mix it up. This is what it looks like. It's so pretty. The smell alone, it's so fresh and so fragrant. Like the combination of all the vegetables plus the bacon, and it's so good. So we have in here cucumbers, red onion, bacon, cheddar cheese, jalapenos, and sour cream and cream cheese. The cream cheese is the chives one. That makes a big difference, and salt and pepper. So I'm just gonna mix this up, and this is my lunch. This is what it looks like. I know it looks messy, but trust me. First bite. Yeah. This salad bangs, okay? And it's so simple to make, and such a like fresh type of recipe, perfect for like after a little workout. Y'all try this recipe and let me know what you think. Okay, I'm gonna go sit my little hungry tail down, eat the salad, and then I got a bunch of emails to answer, and then we'll come back. It's a nice catch. It's a nice catch. Ooh! Okay. Okay. It's a lot of time later. I'm just now getting to my emails. Big Daddy is putting the baby to bed. So I just cleaned up the kitchen. We got the Bears are playing tonight. They are kicking ass. Okay, let me tell you all something. Being a content creator is not for everybody. I've been a full-time content creator for going on 3 months. I think it's been like 3 months, almost 4 months now. And I can just tell you, it's not for everyone. One, people online are mean. I don't know why. people feel like they get online and they can just say whatever they want to somebody, but people online are mean. Now, I feel like the fact that I was bullied a lot coming up has helped me have thicker skin when it comes to being online, because I don't really care what anybody has to say. Just don't say nothing about my baby. Other than that, you know, you just have to have thick skin. Another thing, when dealing with brands, when you start to really put yourself out there on social media, brands will start to automatically just reach out to you and offer you a bunch of products and stuff like that. Me personally, I have put a lot of time and a lot of effort into building up the precious following that I do have. So I don't take gifting collaborations, which means like somebody will offer to give me something for free if I post about it. I don't do those anymore, because what I've seen is brands have like unrealistic expectations of you. Like a brand will send you an email. With like a checklist of things like, oh, when you get this product, we want a video, we want a picture, we want it to be posted within this time frame, we want to be able to use it for our own website, for our own social media pages. And what do you get in return for that? Oh, here's our product and the possibility to make commission if somebody buys it. Like, listen, no, I can't do it. Especially like if it's something that I really don't need. No. And like I told you guys earlier, I am not the creator to come on here and just be like promoting products and stuff just because a company sent it to me. If I tell you all about something, it's because I actually like it. Okay, it's because I actually like it. So for these companies that be emailing me for free products and ain't trying to pay, you know pay, I know post. Emails backed up from Tuesday. So I need to finish this up so we can have dinner before it's time for bed. Give me my money.
I was like, this is silly. I was like, I seen it like twice. I was like, I don't get it. I was like, how is this funny? Where did this come from? And why is it funny?
Oh, babe, you're a hard man to please. You know that? I'm going to go in here and help him with dinner.
I just didn't understand. I was like,
see you guys in the next vlog.
Can't focus on me.